Bonjour, bonjour les amis, je m'appelle Madame Tweedy. Bienvenue. Welcome to French with Ananas. I am so happy that you can join our class. And if you'd like Ananas to join us also, can you say bonjour Ananas in a nice loud voice? Bonjour Ananas. Here she comes. Bonjour Ananas. Oh, there she is. Ça va bien Ananas? Oui. Oh, she's saying bonjour back. And if you want to, you can sit with your favorite stuffy or even a friend to help you count because today's lesson is all about numbers, my friends. Anana, did you want to learn how to count? Oui. Well, let's get going. First, we need une couleur. So, can you repeat the names of the colors out loud after me? Rouge, orange, jaune, vert, bleu, violet, rose, blanc, noir. Would the friends at home like to choose the color? Quelle couleur, les amis? What was that? Violet? Ok, bravo, on choisit violet. So this series is called French with Ananas, Lesson 3.9, E sound. Leçon 3.9, son I. Well, let's get started with our counting. Oh, les amis, do you remember the name of this pumpkin in French? Citrouille. And how many citrouilles, combien de citrouilles do you see? Juste une citrouille. Une citrouille. Can you say that with me? Une citrouille. Bravo. Let's keep going, les amis. Oh, oui, beautiful trees, des palmiers. And how many do you see? Let's count together. Un, deux. Deux palmiers. Can you repeat after me? Deux palmiers. Bravo. Let's keep going, mes amis. Oh, do you remember the word for the poppy? Un coquelicot. Let's count them together. Un, deux, trois. Trois coquelicots. Can you say that? Trois coquelicots. Bravo. Good job. Oh, our next number. Let's count together. Un, deux, trois, quatre. Quatre tapis. Can you repeat after me? Quatre tapis. Yay! You're doing a great job, les amis. Keep going. Ordinateur. Let's see if we can find out combien d'ordinateurs. Un, deux, trois, quatre, cinq. Cinq ordinateurs. Can you repeat after me? Cinq ordinateurs. Bravo. On continue. Oh, beautiful animals, la girafe. Let's count together. On compte. Un, deux, trois, quatre, cinq, six. Six girafes. Six girafes. Bravo. Continue. Delicious. Des kiwis. Combien de kiwis? Un, deux, trois, quatre, cinq, six, sept. Sept kiwis. Can you repeat after me? Sept kiwis. Bravo. Oh, the baskets. Can you count with me? Un, deux, trois, quatre, cinq, six, sept, huit. Huit paniers. Can you repeat after me? Huit paniers. Bravo. On continue. Des ciseaux. Combien de ciseaux? Un, deux, trois, quatre, cinq, six, sept, huit, neuf. Neuf ciseaux. 9, ciseaux. Bravo. Wow, you're doing a great job. Oh, this is also a fruit, un fruit. Can you help me count? Un, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 citrons. 10 citrons. Oui! Oh, your counting is coming along so good. Okay, mes amis. Let's see if we can count together from de 1 jusqu'à 20. You think we could do it together? Let's try. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Oui! Wow, les amis. And remember, practice as many times as you can, mes amis, because the more you practice the numbers, the better you'll know them. Oh, qu'est-ce... Ananas, what is this? Qu'est-ce qu'il y a dans mon sac? Oh, I have it right here. Ici, mon sac. Mon sac. Qu'est-ce qu'il y a dans mon sac? Oh, regarde. On va regarder dans le sac, Ananas. Do you want to go first? Remettre ta main. Oh, qu'est-ce qu'il y a dans... Oh, here we go. Oh. Oh, wow. Do you remember the name for this fruit? Do you remember the French word for lemon? It's un citron. Citron. Maybe I'm going to make some lemonade today. De la limonade. Oh, my friends, I hope you had fun learning your numbers with me and Anana. I hope you join us next time in our next lesson. Can you say au revoir? Au revoir, madame. Au revoir, Anana. And I'm saying au revoir, les amis. And if you want to say see you soon, you say à bientôt. À bientôt.